Hello students, welcome you all for the online session of GK. I myself Ajay Singh will continue with the chapter. In the last lecture we have started with the chapter language, literature and entertainment. So today we will continue with that chapter. Take out students page number 19. The page number 19 is about famous painters. So in this we will study about the famous painters and just you have to identify the following painters. Your description is given to you, and according to the description we have to identify who are all the famous painter are. Okay, so we'll start with the first question. A brilliant Italian inventor, architect, engineer, sculptors, musician, scientist and artist whose painting include the famous one, the Last Supper and the Mona Lisa. Answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, so second question. One of the world's most famous artists and sculptors from Italy, best known for Last Judgment and his creation of the famous fresco ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Sculptures include Peter and David. The answer for this second question is Michelangelo. Question number 3. Born in royal family of Kilimanjaro, Kerala, one of the eminent early Indian artists who has a special flavor for painting of portraits, characters from Indian mythology and Purans, and represents of Indian gods and goddesses. His famous painting include the Begum Bath, the Maharashtrian Lady. The answer for the third one is Raja Ravi Verma. Question number 4. A Spanish painter, sculptor, graphic artist and ceramist who created thousands of painting, sculptures and ceramics and pioneered several innovation style in art. His famous work include Guernica in 1937. This painting depicts the terror during the bombing of the town Guernica in Spain. The answer for this is Pablo Picasso. Question number 5. A painter born of an Indian father and a Hungarian mother, she was one of the pioneers of the modern movement in Indian art. Died at the age of 28. The answer for the fifth is Amrita Shergill. Students, now we'll move on the page number 20. Question number 6. One of the most popular Dutch painter of all times, the variety of his work is enthralling nudes, landscape, portrait, everyday scenes, birds, animal, historical and mythological figure, biblical subjects and self-portrait. Famous work include The Night Watch, depicting a group of military men who has enlisted to defend Amsterdam, and The Jewish Bride and a self-portrait. So the answer is Rembrandt. Question number 7. Leading Indian painter and filmmaker awarded Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. Painting include Sufi painting, characters from Indian mythology and the Gamni series. The answer is M.F. Hussain. Okay, question number 8. A famous Italian painter. Keywords: the Sistine, Madonna, the Trump of Galicia. The answer is Raphael. Okay, question number 9. A great Indian painter. Works include Nirbhasita, Yaksha, Bharat Mata. The answer is Abhindranath Tagore. Question number 10. A Dutch artist who could sell out only one painting throughout his life, but is considered today one of the greatest artists that ever lived. The keyword include sunflower, the potato eater, and the portrait of Dr. Gadget. The last painting is one of the most expensive painting in the world today. The answer is Vincent van Gogh. Student, here we had completed the page number 20. Now we'll move on the page number 21. It's about first in film. Name the films that match the given description. So here the first question is the first color film in the world. The answer is Can Can Dance. Okay, question number 2. The first indigenous feature film which was made by Dadasaheb Phalke and released on May 3, 1913? The answer is Raja Harishchandra. Okay, question number 3. First silent narrative feature films made by R.G. Tony and N.G. Chitra was released on May 18, 1911. The answer for the third question is Kundalik. Question number 4. The first talkie featured film made by Adishar Irani and released on March 14, 1931. Student, the answer for the fourth one is Alam Ara. Okay, question number 5. The first Hollywood film dubbed in Hindi. Students, I think so you might be knowing the answer about it. You must have seen also this picture. Students, the answer is Jurassic Park. Question number 6. The first female child star to act in an Indian film and daughter of Dadasaheb Phalke. The answer for the sixth one is Mandakini. Okay, question number 7. The first Indian film to win the Oscar for dress designing. The answer for the seventh one is Bhanu Athiya. Question number 8. The first Hollywood film to win 11 Oscar award. The answer is Ben-Hur. Now the question number 9. The first National Film Festival was held at Dash. The answer for the ninth one is Delhi. Here we had completed the page number 21. I hope all of you understood. Now we will move on the page number, the last page, that is page number 22. Okay, now the 10th question. The first film which won the first national award or the President Gold Medal. The answer for the 10th one is Mirza Ghalib. Okay students, now we will move on the 11th question. The first actress recipient of Dadasaheb Phalke Award. The answer for the 11th one is Devika Rani. I hope students you might be writing all the answers. Okay, question number 12. First woman on screen. Students, the answer for the 12th one is Durga Bai and Kamla Bai. Okay, question number 13. First Indian actor as a wax model in Madame Tussauds Wax Museum in London. The answer for the 13th one is, students, is a famous actor in Indian film industries. The answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Question number 14. First actor to play double role. The answer is A. Salunka. Okay, question number 15. First film without song. The answer of the 15th one is Naujawan. Okay, question number 16. India's first black and white cinemascope film. The answer is Kagaz Ke Phool. Question number 17. India's first historical film. The answer for the 17th one is Pukar. Okay, question number 18. India's first full-length murder mystery film. The answer is Kanun. Okay, now the question number 19. India's first multi-starrer film. The answer is Waqt. Okay, question number 20. The first actor to receive the Dadasaheb Phalke Award. The answer is Prithviraj Kapoor. Question number 21. The first stunt woman in the Indian cinema. The answer is Nadia. Question number 22. The first film made in Technicolor film by Saurabh Modi. The answer for the 22nd is Jhansi Ki Rani. Okay students, now we will move on the last question, that is question number 23. The first film to have its Muhurat outside India. The answer for the 23rd is Madhumati. So students, here we will stop. So the homework for you all is from page number 19 to 22, that is 19, 20, 21 and 22. This 4 page we had completed. I hope you will complete your homework and you will send me. So thank you students, have a nice day.